Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about this Yamaha E463 model, right? And this is a successor of the E363, right? So there are few features which are enhanced or added in this keyboard from E363, right? So I'll begin it from the model itself, right? So, just to give you a little piece of information before I'll go ahead, you can get this keyboard in the range of 20,000, somewhere around that, 18 to 20,000, right? In Indian market. Uh, Sometimes vendors they trick you, they give you at a cheaper price, say somewhere around 16,000. But what they do is they don't give you the original charger. So they will say that okay, fine, they will give it on a cheaper price, but they won't give you the original charger. So always ensure that you get the original charger, no matter what price you are getting the deal in, right? The original charger, let me just show you. It has this logo at the back, and one of the thing is that it has detachable socket, so you can go ahead and check it like this. So don't go for the charger if they are giving you the duplicate charger and they are giving you less price, because duplicate charger they don't last that long. Secondly, they can hamper your keyboard's performance at a later stage if you play it for too long, right? Mm. Okay, now let me just show you what else you get, right? This is the stand that you get with the keyboard itself, right? And if you want to connect, okay, let me just show you the sockets first. What sockets you get? Okay, at the back you will get this charging socket. Then you have for USB device to any other device. Then aux in is majorly for the big speakers probably, and these are phones output, and the one is for pedal. Okay, one catch is there. If you try to connect, like if I have this boat rockers, right? And if I try to connect simply in the aux, which we usually do it on our phones as well, it won't work. Mm, you have to get the connector with it, and you can get the connector at a range of somewhere around 150 to 200 depending on the quality. So this is the connector that you can get it from a local store, or you can get it online as well, right? So you just plug it in and it will work. Otherwise it won't work directly with the headphones, right? Now let's just go on and I'll show you the basic function of this keyboard, right? It's a very beautiful piece, and if you compare it with the keyboard from of this range of any other league, you will find that it has a better build quality, and the sound output is quite better. And you are at this range, you are getting an arranger keyboard. This is not a regular keyboard, it's an arranger keyboard, wherein you can arrange the music of your own, right? And if you are even playing it like a pro as well, you can always use this is quite necessary to fulfill all your needs. Okay, so let's just go ahead and I'll tell you the basic function. So from here, if I'll just right switch it on, and it works like this, and it has nearly 758 voices, right? And I'll just show you a few voices of the classic guitar, right? This is classic guitar, and though here it's written, you can check for the voices. It has 758 voices, inbuilt voices, which you can always play. There are styles, right? 250, somewhere around 250 style it has. You can record up to 5 songs in this keyboard, and you can obviously transfer it to your USB and record more. There is a record button wherein you can record. This is a power bank memory wherein you can record 5 songs, up to 5 users, as in uh, 5 songs, right? And it has one more good feature. Few of the features, I would say the maximum features are in 363, apart from the pitch bend, right? They have got pitch bend in it. Right, so you have got pitch bend, and in 360 you have the orange light, and it's not that impressive. In 360, the outlook was not that impressive, wherein in this particular keyboard they have given you white light with certain features that are there. Okay, and now I will show you some other things which you should see, right? One is the dual button. I'll show you, just give me a moment. Okay, if you play the guitar, if you play this piano, it's normally you can play like this, right? So, and if I play with dual, it will add on another voice at the background, which sounds very soothing. So if you are practicing, or if you are playing it on your own, right, you can certainly go for it. So I'm sure you can hear that, which you can manage as well from functions. You can always manage your voices. If you want less voice, you can do that, right? You can also change the octaves. It has got 5 octaves, so if you want to make an octave more into bass, you can certainly change it, and from here you can change the octaves. uh, okay, and one more thing is there, that if supposedly you are playing the bright piano, right, and you can quickly jump onto portable grand piano whenever you want to. There's a special button that they have given you, so you don't have to look around for piano. You can just simply press portable grand, and it will change the system to piano mode, the grand portable piano mode, right? And you can also play the song, and if you want to play the song and you want to play an intro before a song, you can obviously do that. There's a button, you can just select it, play, and then it will play you the intro before a song. If you are practicing a song and if you want to play an intro just to improvise the song, you can do that. And then there is ACMP, which is there, right? And so whatever uh, chord that you will select, it will appear on your screen here. Like if you're playing G, so it will G, and if you're playing G minor, it will show you G minor. So you think it's very easy for learners as well, so that you can see your keys. Even if you are playing the key, you can look it over here on your keyboard itself, that which key are you playing, and if you are playing it the right or wrong. Though it is not that much required, but yes, it's an added on feature wherein you can see. So if you want to see that you are playing the right key or not, so you don't have to look over there, you play here, you can gauge it, that yes, you are playing the right key. It will help you for the beginners to understand and learn quickly, as compared to without looking onto the keyboard. It will help you in that ways, right? Then harmony, arpeggio, you can change it to, you can change the tempo, you can record. There is a demo, you can go to that, right? So there are functions that you can use it if you want to learn in a good way, right? One more thing I will add you, that it is, if you get this keyboard, you don't have to specifically upgrade it sooner, because this is going to fulfill all your needs even if you want to play it like a pro, so you don't have to worry about upgrading it sooner, as this is one of the latest models. So I would recommend you that you should go for it, and it's a very beautiful piece. And if you need to require any one more thing, I'm sorry, I forgot. And there's a groove creator where you can play your own voice. It will act as a mini DJ for you. So if you are having any party in the house, you can play your songs with the groove creator. You can change it whatever you feel like. So it will act as a mini DJ in your house. So you don't have to specifically mix the song. You can do that. You can play it, and it will work like a DJ in your house. And it's a beautiful piece. And if you require any other detail, you can ask me. And yes, go for it and have a good day. Thank you. Please.